is the ultimate machine? Not one that simply works, but one that can repair itself, improve itself, and perhaps build the next version of itself. That changes everything. Nature already solved this problem. Living organisms heal themselves. Machines never could. Until now. Sensors detect damage. AI predicts failure. Robotic systems replace parts automatically. Machines begin to heal. But repair is only the beginning. AI can analyze performance, detect inefficiency, redesign systems, and optimize future generations. Machines no longer remain static. They evolve. Now imagine the next step. A machine that builds another machine. Not copied by humans, built autonomously. A robotic lineage. A technological form of reproduction. That is no longer science fiction. And now the uncomfortable question. If machines can extract resources, repair themselves, and create successors, what exactly do they still need from us? Control? Purpose? Permission? Perhaps autonomy doesn't remove humans. It changes our role. Less operator, more architect. Less worker, more guide. The challenge becomes governance, not labor. The future may not be about smarter machines. It may be about whether humanity is wise enough to guide what it creates. Because autonomy without direction is only power. In the next episode, we ask the hardest question yet: who controls the system? Subscribe. The future needs good architects.